Welcome to this tutorial. How to set up out of office in Outlook. Are you planning a well-deserved vacation but worried about missing important emails while you're away? Well, fret no more. In today's video, we're going to show you a fantastic feature that will keep your contacts informed and your mind at ease. So whether you're a small business owner, a dedicated professional, or simply an email-savvy individual, this feature is going to revolutionize the way you handle your absence. Follow the steps we're about to reveal in this video. Open your web browser. Type outlook.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. At the top right, click on the Sign In button. Type your Outlook email and click on the Next button. Enter your Outlook account's password and click on the Sign In button. At the top right, click on the gear icon of Settings. Make sure in the Settings screen the option of Mail is selected. Then click on the Automatic Replies option in second panel. Click on the Automatic Replies button to turn it on. Select the checkbox of Send Replies only during a time period. Select the start date and time in the calendar for automatic reply. Select the end date and time in the calendar for automatic reply. Type your message in the message box and click on the Save button. This will start an automatic reply on your set date and time. Hope this was easy. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel.